Hey there, welcome to our video. Today we're diving into a common problem that many users face when trying to set up a system variable for the downloads folder. The issue at hand is how to create a dynamic system variable that points to each user's specific downloads directory without having to manually set it up for each individual user. Let's explore this problem and find a solution together. In terms of a solution, unfortunately, you can't directly use variables within the value of other variables. One approach is to create a user variable like %dl% under each user profile to customize the downloads path for each user. Another option is to utilize a logon script that automatically sets the %dl% variable each time a user logs in. Additionally, using the %user profile %\downloads path directly instead of creating an alias may be a safer and more efficient choice. These are some handy solutions to tackle the variable setup for different user downloads folders. In summary, setting up a system variable for individual downloads folders requires some thoughtful planning. By creating user variables or using logon scripts, you can tailor the path to each user's downloads directory. Remember, it's important to consider the safety and efficiency of your approach. And with that, we've reached the end of our video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy computing!